Digraph A. Digraph are two letter and one sound. A as in rain. R, A, A as in train. Tr, we can say tr as a consonant. Tr, A, A as in snail. As a consonant, blend. Sn, A, L, snail. A as in paint. As a consonant, P, A.
Thank you NV Shopee, Team Infinity. Myself Forum Shah. I am phonic and grammar teacher and I have joined this community through Aarti ma'am. She is very helpful by nature and she is always supportive, and especially Maheshwari ma'am. I really appreciate your efforts and your energy that you give us in webinars, and only because of your Team Infinity efforts we are able to make this kind of videos and improving day by day. Thank you so much Team Infinity and NV Shopee.